Do you want flawless sculpted length on a form? Here's how to nail it using Liquid Perfection Sculpting Monomer and Powder Perfection. After nail prep, apply your form by removing the center tab. Pro tip, place the tab underneath for extra support and contour it to the nail's C-curve. Now check the fit. If the corners of the free edge create pressure points on the form, file shape the nail to match the shape of the form's contact area that sits underneath the nail. If your client's skin somehow displaces the form, use scissors to customize it for a seamless fit. Next, cleanse with NAS 99, and then apply Bondex primer sparingly and let it dry. Close the front tabs on the form to create a symmetrical C-curve, and then position it at a 45-degree angle just under the nail's free edge, making sure the form's center line is aligned to the first knuckle. Now for application. Your mix ratio is the key to your success. 1.5 parts powder to 1 part liquid creates ideal control. Think of the nail in 3 zones: cuticle, apex, and free edge. The apex is the power point of strength in your enhancements. Place it in the center of the natural nail plate for shorter or medium lengths, and place the apex slightly closer to the cuticle line for longer lengths. With your first bead, place it just underneath the nail's free edge. Using your brush, gently press and guide the bead up to each side to create a smile line. The second bead is where you're going to build that power point of strength in your apex. Make sure your apex placement is perfectly appropriate for the length of the nail. Your third bead will be smaller. Apply firm pressure to press the acrylic flush to the area near the cuticle, being extra careful not to touch the skin with your brush or flood underneath the skin. Once the acrylic is set, remove the form from the fingers. Pinch it underneath to release it comfortably for your client. To finish the service, it's time to file. Cleanse with NAS 99, and then finish with your favorite shades of gel color. Have your client wash their hands, then apply cuticle oil, and don't forget, send them home with a bottle for daily maintenance.